Hey Queens, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the Hours of Curls Herbal Hair Growth Oil Cream. In this cream, we're using the Hours of Curls Herbal Hair Growth Oil, which is infused with 18 different vital herbs that all promote hair growth. In this cream, we'll be using the mango butter. Mango butter is known to seal in moisture, reduce breakage and hair loss while strengthening the hair follicles. What I like about mango butter is it is a very gentle, non-greasy butter compared to shea butter and other heavy butters. So yeah, let's get into the video. Here are all the ingredients that we'll be using for this hair cream. We're going to start off with distilled water. Next, glycerin. Of course, we're going to add our mango butter. Also adding our almond oil. This is a very light oil I love. We're also going to have our emulsifying wax. This is going to combine our water and oil mixture. We need coconut oil. And of course, our Hours of Curls Herbal Hair Growth Oil. It is infused with 18 different vital herbs. Here's a look of all our ingredients that we'll be using for this hair cream. Now time for the mixtures. We're going to start off with our water mixture. We're going to mix in the distilled water and the glycerin together. Next, we're mixing in our mango butter, almond oil, coconut oil, Hours of Curls Herbal Hair Growth Oil, and the emulsifying wax. Next, we're going to add in our water to heat both mixtures in the double boiler until melted. This took 3 to 4 minutes for the butter to melt completely. Now it's time to mix both the oil and the liquid mixture together. It's important to do this step while it is hot. That way it's easier for everything to mix properly. I added in the xanthan gum and glycerin to thicken up the cream. Mix, mix, mix. I like to mix mine for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's time to add in your preservatives. Since this is the liquid-based cream, this is very essential to the cream. Now we're adding in our vitamin E oil. Also, our essential oil lavender. You want to mix it in one more time. And there you have it. Once you have the consistency that you love, you are done. I will put the link to buy the Hours of Curls Hair Growth Oil Cream below. And that concludes the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else y'all want to see on my channel. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any tips on how to make the video more helpful, please let me know in the comments. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, queens.
That last on my body, so baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you running my space, baby. I'm like